Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we will discuss about the how to draw a building plan. But before drawing a building plan, we have to know about the site measurements. Generally, the sites are available in acres, cents, or square yards, or sometimes in square feet. So, definitely we have to know the measurements conversion, how to convert the units, how to convert the measurements of the site into a convenient units. In this session I will discuss about the initially first we will discuss about the unit conversions. What are the units, what are the site units, how to convert the units. Okay, let us start the session. First we should know about the 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 1 square meter means 1 square meter is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter, that is equal to 3.28 feet into 3.28, that is equal to 10.76 square feet. So 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. So 1 square feet is equal to 1 by 10.76 square meters. That is equal to 0.0927 square meters. This is the first conversion. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 1 square meter is equal to 3.28 into 3.28, that is equal to 10.76 square feet. 1 square feet is equal to 1 by 10.76 square meters, that is equal to 0.0927 square meters. This is the meter feet conversion. The next one is 1 yard. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So 1 square yard is equal to 1 yard 3 feet by 3 feet, that is equal to 9 square feet. 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. So 1 square feet is equal to 1 by 9 square yards. This is the second one. This is the first one, meters to feet. The second one is yards to feet, because the site is available, sometimes available in yards. The next one, acres to cents. Sometimes the site is available in acres, because so many areas the site is available in acres or sometimes in cents. So we have to know about the conversions of acres to cents. But at the same time, cents to square feet or square yards or square meters, whatever the usage. So first, what is a acre? 1 acre is equal to 100 cents. 1 acre is equal to 100 cents. 1 cent is equal to 40.40 square meters. 40.47 square meters. So what about acre? 1 acre is equal to 100 cents. So 1 cent is equal to 40.47 square meters. Then 1 acre is equal to 100 into 1 cent, 40.47. That is equal to 4047 square meters. This is the another conversion. But already we know what is a square meter. We know 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. 10.76 square feet. So 1 acre is equal to 4047 multiplied with 10.76. Then it can be converted into the square feet. 1 acre is equal to 4047 multiplied with 10.76. Then we can easily find the value in the square feet. That is equal to 43,545.72 square feet. But 1 SFT is equal to 1 by 9 square yards. 1 by 9 square yards. So, if it is necessary to convert the acres into the square yards, simply divide the value with 9. So, 1 acre is equal to 43,545.72 by 9. Then 4,838.7 square yards. This is the conversion of acres to yards, acres to square feet, acres to square meters. Then we can find the site into different measurements. So finally we get the unit conversions. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 1 foot is equal to 1 by 3.8, that is equal to 0.3048. 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. 1 square feet is equal to 1 by 9 square yards. 1 acre is equal to 100 cents, that is equal to 4,047 square meters. 1 cent is equal to 40.47 square meters. As a civil engineer, we have to know about the conversion of sites unit measurements into square meters and square feet. Suppose let us take a site. If it is 30 feet by 60 feet, 60 feet length and 30 feet width. What is the total area? The total area is 30 by 60, that is equal to 1800 SFT, because these are all in feet. So the total area is in 18,000 SFT. If it is needed in square yards, simply divide this SFT value by 9, that is equal to 200 square yards, because 1 SFT is equal to 1 by 9 square yards. So when you get this SFT area in SFT, by dividing that value by 9, then you can change the value into the square yards. This is the square yards. If it is needed in square meters, then 1 square meter. Next, suppose if you want to draw a building plan for 20 feet by 50 feet building drawing, first you should convert the total values, total units into the meters, because while drawing the building plan we have to know the meters. So what about feet to meters conversion? 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters. So it should be converted into the meters. 20 is multiplied with 0.3048, then 0.10 meters. So it is 6.10 meters. Similarly, what about 50? If 50 is multiplied with 0.3048, 15.24 meters. So 15.24 meters. First, before drawing a building plan, we should convert the total units into the meters. Either it may be foot, feet, or cents, or acres. We should convert all these units into the meters. Then only we can easily draw the building plan. Okay. So let us take this plan, this site. What is the width? Its width is 20 feet. Its width 20 feet. It is converted into the meters, that is 6.1. The length is 50 feet. It is converted into 15.24. Now, according to these measurements, we have to draw the building plan for this site. Okay. So, after knowing the measurements in meters, the site measurements, whenever you know the site measurements in meters, then we can easily start the building plan. But before drawing the building plan, we should know all the measurements clearly, all the boundaries of the site, and all the directions of the site, what in which direction the site is facing. So all these points are to be explained in the next my video. Okay, thank you. So please watch my next video for the